Workshop Wednesday. That's quite the opening, and I apologize. Look at me. I got my fabrication hat on. I got, look, my apron. You see it? Got some holes in my little belly's poked out a little bit. Got some rubbing going on. Y'all fell off. Sorry about that. Done fell down. Y'all need to stable up today. It's Wednesday. Well, you see, look here. Got the old bit. Had to take a pause. That's why I got my fancy hat on and my I was talking about my belly, my apron, right? But as y'all can see here, I'm progressing along, but guess what I did? Right there, I'm inlaying the TCA logo there. It ran out of gold. Got over here to this side. Got silver in, but the gold border, TCA logo. I got ready to put the gold in. I'm just waiting on it. Be here Friday. Man, it's probably not 2 inches of gold that I'm missing, but dadgummit, bad planning. So you can see the old engraving there. Looks like a bit too. There's a little mouthpiece. Tribute to my old mentor, Greg Darnell. Got the, what he called 3/8 high port. Oh yeah, I tweaked it a little bit. I put a little spoon in the back. A little spoon, forged it all out. So anything to make it fun for me. But it's all good. So that's TCA. Where we going? I'm starting another one this morning. Something that's been on, I've been on the green light for a while, trying to finish up this TCA bit. So I'm working on it finally. And it is an extensive project too. So as soon as I get this TCA bit done, well then, as soon as the gold gets here, then I'll wrap it up and then get on that, create a little cash flow and be designing on TCA piece number 2. So all is good there. Spur workshop. I told you about a spur workshop last week. Got 3 signed up already. I think I have 8 slots on the website. So you got a little feeding frenzy going on. People are signing up. So if you want in, get it. This will be the last workshop of the year that's planned so far. If somebody twists hard enough and pushes bad enough, well then I'll do another, but more than likely not. Got the old boat loaded, which is wonderful. Next week, I'm going to be in Clifton at the Bosque Arts Center. I'm going to do a little talk, and 15-20 minute talk. Who knows? Workshop Wednesday is supposed to be 3 minutes, and we're 6 minutes into it already. So who knows what will happen? But if you're in around the Clifton area, Clifton, Texas, that is, come see me. I'd love to visit and talk about the bit and spur world. And they got a big spur collection that's going in there, and I got some of my work that this collector that donated to that exhibit has got some of my stuff in there. So they know I'm a motor mouth, so they picked me to go talk about it. So if you're in the area, come see me. What else we got? Patreon's kicking, doing good, man, and it's just rocking and rolling. Podcast, what about the dang podcast? It's going good too, and boy, Carrie's on fire, and I'm on fire. It's a good thing to do. We never thought we would be going at it, but thank you to everybody who's following and finding some kind of value and hopefully entertainment in the deal, and away we go. So anyhow, all's well. Gonna have an exciting announcement next week. I can't wait to share it with you, but I'm gonna wait until next week to share it with you. It'll be fun. We'll see how entertaining we can make it. But anyhow, that'll be good, and y'all stay tuned. If you need something, holler at me. We'll see you next week. Adios.